Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Over a new year, welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, share, and all those good stuff. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You guys are the real OGs. Okay, so I already know what we're doing today. I'm doing my sister's makeup. So I just started with the foundation. I already prepped her skin before starting this video. Basically, I was just blending. Please manage my voiceover because I'm very bad at voiceover. So, you guys, this is my first time doing voiceover. So, please, anyhow it sounds, please manage it. I should be given the award of best in putting too much concealers. I don't know why I do it all the time. Like times I was like, let me put more. I will still put plenty.
I'm calling 6 o'clock in the morning. Send him a text while I'm yawning. I'm calling. I said I'm calling 6 o'clock in the morning. Send him a text while I'm yawning. I'm calling. Come for some lollipoppy. I never want to leave, Mama. You dance with me, Mama. I pull up on your beach, Mama. It's time to swim, Mama. Baby, can make another lie. Make you tell your friends, say they feel this guy. Don't even waste time. Cause now me you go follow to the day we die. I mean why I can't wait to make your face just smile. It's not a lie. You set my soul on fire. I like grananati, but she good job if you give am cucumber. Walk out from Transamadi till I lay picking. Shake her with a locumba. Baby, make I give you solid. Make I even mix some with Ale and Akpao. Hey, let me take she dey feel I'm da. She dey feel I'm da. If you want make a ginger, give me the kokoro. My quiet beat your love. Anywhere I go, just come up and move my mama. No, they do like polo. Oh yeah, get them up. I've been making money, living records like yeah, madam. If you want make a ginger, give me the kokoro. Bako JP, ogbono, my bad JP. Your love, tell me what I gonna do for your love. All of my go carry, all of us.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my baby. No time, no time. 24 hours in the day, I think I'm watching more than 24 times. Oh, na 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 na. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like magnets do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Yeah. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed shit smells like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in blessings up on my life on. We thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. And gratitude is a must. Blessings fall upon me right hand. Me I no say me not be the first, but me gon' be your last. Baby girl, take it slow, we gon' make a blast. Baby girl, let us go fast, oh, nah, nah.
So I couldn't finish recording the whole makeup process because my phone died, and I later changed the eye because I wasn't feeling it. But here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.